A 23-year-old mom and her 3-year-old son died from carbon monoxide poisoning after sitting in a car with the engine running while the tailpipe was covered in snow, according to police. Sasha Lynn Rosa and her 2 children were warming up in the vehicle while their father, Felix Bonilla, was shoveling out the car, authorities say. The tailpipe was clogged with snow, pushing the odorless gas back into the car. The dad discovered his unconscious family in the car, and emergency responders brought all 3 of them to the hospital, but only the 3-year-old girl has survived and remains in critical condition. At least 32 people have died in the monster blizzard that hit the East Coast. Be sure to watch Inside Edition.